हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू टोटल स्टडी जोन। आइए सीखें स्पेलिंग ए टू जेड। ए फॉर एप्पल, APPLE, एप्पल। एप्पल मीन्स सेब। B फॉर बॉल, BALL, बॉल। बॉल मीन्स गेंद। C for cat, CAT, cat। cat means बिल्ली। D for doll, DOLL, doll। doll means गुड़िया। E for elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant। elephant means हाथी। F for fish, FISH, fish। fish means मछली। G for grapes, GRAPES, grapes। grapes means अंगूर। H for hen, HEN, hen means मुर्गी। I for ice cream, ICECREAM, ice cream। ice cream means ice cream। J for jug, JUG, jug। jug means jug। K for kite, KITE, kite। kite means पतंग। L for lion, LION, lion। lion means शेर। M for monkey, MONKEY, monkey। monkey means बंदर। N for nest, NEST, nest। nest means घोंसला। O for orange, ORANGE, orange। orange means संतरा। P for parrot, PARROT, parrot। parrot means तोता। Q for queen, QUEEN, queen। queen means रानी। R for rat, RAT, rat। rat means चूहा। S for ship, SHIP, ship। ship means जहाज। T for tiger, TIGER, tiger। tiger means बाघ। U for umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella। umbrella means छाता। V for van, VAN, van। van means van। W for watch, WATCH, watch। watch means घड़ी। X X for Xmas tree. X M A S T R E E. Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Y A K. Yak. Yak means yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Thanks for watching.